guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I forgot to do a intro for this video. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I did a video for you guys, and I'm going to go back to the using this makeup kit from Ulta collaboration with the Harry Potter. So yeah, now I'm going to use some of the products in this box to show you guys how it is in the box. And then this is actually $28 at Ulta. Have like 4 kinds of this beauty box, and they have the colors of each houses of Hogwarts. They have the Gryffindor, which is red, the Hufflepuff is yellow, and then the Slytherins is green, and of course the Ravenclaw is going to be blue. And then I was supposed to buy the Slytherin because I like green, and then I like Gryffindor, so I like most of them because I'm really a Harry Potter fanatic. And speaking of that, I just finished the I think the last book of it, the Cursed Child. And then okay, let's go back to this beauty box. And this one, it does include 6-piece eyeshadow palette, 1 tinted lip balm, 1 metallic gel eyeliner, and 1 highlighter. So I took it off in the box, and this is how it looks like. And then for the box, it's just like this, and the color is like blue, and it does have the Ravenclaw in here. And then the front side, and then the back, it does have includes all the stuff in here, including the ingredients of each product. And it says here Ulta Beauty Collection, and retail $28. I'm gonna take this off now. Let's talk about the eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like, and here is the back. And for Ravenclaw, their strength is like their weak, like smart, I guess, learning and wisdom. And then it does have this shield, and this is how it looks like inside. It does have features of matte and metallic shades with pops of blue and silver. I think these are the 2 colors of a Ravenclaw. And then the names are Spellbook, Time Turner, Cornish Pixies, Patronus Knots, which is their money, and money currency, and the Black Lake. And then I'm going to swatch Time Turner. So this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Very nice. It's a little bit chunky, if you guys will see it here, and especially in the pan too, you can see it's really chunky. And then the knot, which is kind of on this color, it's like a silver reflect, but in here it's like a little bit of like cool tone. It's like kind of cool tone metallic. And then Patronus, that's how it looks like, Patronus. And then lastly is the Black Lake. So this is how it looks like, a Black Lake. So these are the shimmers or metallics. And then now I'm going to swatch the matte. For the matte, we're gonna swatch the Spellbook. And it's a little bit powdery. You can tell with the thing. So this is how it looks like. Spell book. And then lastly, the Cornish Pixies. So it's like kind of baby pink. No, baby pink. It's a baby blue color. I have the lip balm. I think that's how you say it, lip balm. A tinted lip balm. Yeah, a tinted lip balm. This is how it looks like. And doesn't have any name here. And it does have 2 grams or 0.07 ounces. So this is how it looks like. So it's really a balm, like creamy balm, I guess, because right here I just wiped my hand, so I was thinking about maybe it's a little bit wet, so it turned out like this, but it turned out it's really a kind of wet balm, kind of moisturizing balm. So, but the color is nice. The smell is a little bit weird, but I like the color, the shade of it. Next is this one. This is the gel eyeliner, and it does have the brush, so it's really a unique brush. So, and then the product itself. So I don't know how you open it. Oh, so this is how it looks like. Just not that much of a product, I guess. Not potty, but it's really creamy. So I've got some over here, and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna spread it out just to see how is the consistency of it. So this one is nice to use it itself with this lip balm, I guess. We're gonna do a makeup look using this one next time by this tube. And then I like the gel, like the container. And then lastly is the highlighter, which is this one. They have the same amount, I guess. This one, it does have 0.7 ounces or 20 grams, and it's made in China. This is how it looks like, the front packaging. And then does have a puff, I guess. Oh, so it covers this one, and here is the highlighters. There are beads, and then they have, it's like kind of white beads, but they have shift of blue shimmers in here. So let's have a little bit. This is the first time I have this kind of a highlighter. So this is how it looks like. It does have a shift of blue and purple, I guess. Blue and purple highlighter. So the total of these products are the retail price is $28, and we have 4 products in here. So if we're gonna divide all of them, these products, they are $7 each, and I think that is a great price for this 4 of the products, especially the unique packaging. The box itself is really beautiful. And then for the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to compare it with the this size of eyeshadow palette I have in my collection. Let me compare it with this Tartelette Flirt eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. It's much more bigger size of a carton, the packaging, but they have the same amount of 0.03 ounces per eyeshadow, but this one, it doesn't have a mirror, so in case you can see, compare it to the Juvia's Place. This one have more, I guess, so you guys can see. And then lastly, this one is discontinued palette from ColourPop, but this one, it does have a mirror. So I'm just like showing it to you guys so that you guys can see how it is and compare for the pricing for this one. This one is much more a good price because it's only $7. And then this one, I think this one I've got it like 12. And then this one I got it for free, but I don't know. I think this is like $10 in Juvia's Place website. And then this one I've got it like $20. So this is the final look. I don't like the eyeshadow palette because most of the colors are great in the pan but not in my face. As you guys can see, this one looks like it's not the Harry Potter makeup look, but it looks like in the 90s. As you guys can see, more or 90s color, but we'll see. I'm going to test this out again, this products, and then I feel like this one is much more of a dry highlighter because when I did use it, it's not really as good as the highlighters that I always use. And then the gel liner, I kind of like it because it's much more on the metallic form. And for the lip balm, I don't like the smell, but the texture and the shade of it is nice. So if I will recommend this box, if you really like the Harry Potter, yes you can, but if you are like a makeup lover, this I will not recommend this ones, except for the gel liner and the highlighter. So I think that's it for you guys, and this one is not a review, but I'm just like showing to you guys this how they are. And I think that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Bye.